Hello YouTube, this is tutorial 39, I believe. Let me check. Yep. Alright, this is tutorial 39 and we left off working on the Talency electric furnace. We are going to continue with this class, but we are going to create another class called Talency basic block or basic machine. I'm just going to call it basic block. So, but first we are going to tell it to extends, and then tile entity, basic block, and then it's going to implement, impl implements iEnergy, and it's going to implement iInventory. And then Control Shift O. Oops. There it is. Control Shift O. There we go. Extends or implements those. Now it's not gonna know it. Okay, that class shouldn't actually be created. Did we already create this class? Or did I accidentally put this in here? Alright, well, we are just going to rewrite it because I'm not sure. So, scroll all the way down. Okay. So, after you create the class, the Talency basic block class, it's going to extend Talency, and it's going to implement iInventory. Okay? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go private item stack, they hit the cap lock, item stack, inventory, let's see, public item stack inventory equals new item stack, and we're just gonna give it an integer of 18. Oops, not 198, of 18. Now Control Shift O. There we go. And then public int rotation equals 3. Control Shift O. Oops, there it is. That's why it's not working. Alright. So, just to help us out, I will probably just click the add. And let's just write these out. Alright, so it's not going to return 0. It's actually going to return inventory util, inventory util, or utility, dot get size inventory, and inventory. Okay, that one's done. So, let's do the next one. Okay, and this get stack in slots. We are gonna do int slot. Okay. And the same thing with this one. It is going to, oh wait, not that. It's going to return, I'm just going to copy inventory utils because we use that. Return inventory util dot get stack in slots. It's inventory and slots. That's good. Okay. The next thing we are going to do is change this integer from whatever that p underscore whatever. We're going to change it to this doesn't need to be. Alright, so it's int slot int count, which int slot is pretty self-explanatory, and int count is counting how many blocks or items, whatever. And then on this one, let's bring that down. We're going to return inventory util dot decrease stack size, and then inventory slot count. That's correct. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is get stack in slot on closing, and we're going to change that from int whatever to int slots. And we're going to return wait, which one is this? Get stack in slot on closing. Return item util dot get stack on closing inventory slot. Okay. See, there's reasons why we do the inventory utilities, because then tile entities are really small. Okay. This one, set inventory slot contents. That's going to be int slot item stack. There we go. Oops. That's going to be inventory util dot set inventory slot contents. Alright. And it's going to be this, comma inventory, comma slot, comma item stack. Good. Okay. Next is going to be return in quotes. Oops. Container. There we go. Alright. Return false on this one. That one's actually 100% correct. And then let's see. Alright, this one is pretty much correct, other than this needs to return 64. And then is usable by player. This should be player. And this is actually true. Okay. Open inventory, close inventory, that's pretty self-explanatory. Which is kinda... I don't understand why we need this method in here, but the point is we do need it in there, so we have to have it in there. So there's the method, and then the very... is a valid for slots is int slots and item stack. There we go. Okay, and then the next one is public void write to MBT. Write to NBT, and it's MBT compound, so capital NBTT AG compound, it's capital C. Okay, and we'll just call it tag. We'll Control Shift O to import MBT tag compound, and we are going to do super dot write to MBT, and we're just going to call it tag, and tag dot set integer. This is, we are just gonna have one integer in here called rotation. And we're going to have a second integer in here called rotation again. There we go. And then public void read from MBT, and then it's MBT tag compound again, and tag, and it's super dot read from MBT tag, and then it's rotation equals tag dot get integer, and we are getting rotation. There we go. And we are good on this class, so we can close that tile entity class. Let's check the time. Okay, we're doing good on time. So the next thing we are going to do, let's go back here, is, alright, let's do this. So first thing we are going to do is public void update entity entity. There we go. There we go. And we're just going to put update smelting. Okay. So now we are going to create update smelting. Oh wait, whoops, I forgot. Private void update smelting. And then there we go. Now we are going to start writing the update smelting. It's a pretty small class, or a pretty small method, but there's a lot to it. It's first we're going to do boolean modified equals is smelting okay. The next thing we are going to do is this dot is smelting equals can smelt first. There we go. Okay, there's going to be our first error because that's another method, can smelt. So then we do if this dot is this dot okay, whatever. It's supposed to be this. I don't know what it is. This. Alright, well, even with the error, I'll just keep it. This dot is smelting. If it is smelting, then do this dot smelt status plus equals 1. Else this dot smelt status equals 0. And then if this dot smelt time, wait, no, hold on, no, this dot smelt status let's see, what was I, to this dot smelt time, and then it's gonna call a method we're gonna create in the future called smelt. And then it's going to do this dot smelt status equals 0. And then we are going to do one more if statement. If modified is not equal to is smelting, then we're going to do world object what am I messing up? Well, world object dot mark block for update, and then we're gonna do X chord, Y chord, Z chord. There we go. And that is the end of that method. So let's see. How good are we doing on time? 19 minutes. You know what? We can do 2 more. We can do the smelt, or can smelt and smelt. Alright. They're really small. So it's private boolean can smelts and then we're going to do if inventory 0 is equal to null. Do another bracket. Wait, no, that's correct. If it's equal to null, then return false. And then do return machine util. Oops. Machine util machine util dot can operate and inventory energy bar and then result is what it's returning. In this case it's furnace recipes. Furnace recipes dot smelting dot get smelting result and then it's inventory 0 and then inventory class, this would just be this, and then energies per operation this would be energy use per smelt. Okay, and then this would be 1. There we go. And then that is everything in can smelt. Okay. Normally I do capital B. Did I really spell it like that? Nope. I don't know why it's showing up. Wait. Hold on. Oh, that's why. I actually like stuff to be lowercase and capital case, so I'm gonna do that. So energy bar. There we go. Now can smelt is done. So now we will do just regular smelt. So it's private boolean. Wait, no. Private void smelt. And then machine utility. I'm just gonna copy this. Machine utility dot operate inventory energy bar results is furnace recipes dot smelting dot get smelting results and inventory 0. There we go. And then oh, dang it. Inventory class, that would be this. And then smelt status. Smelt status. And then is smelting. And then energy use per smelt, comma space 1. There we go. And what seems to be the problem? Hold on, let's see. Inventory, energy bar, furnace recipes, smelting results. Let's see. This, comma space, smelt status, comma space, is smelting, comma space, energy use per smelt, comma space 1. Yep. Alright. So guess what we gotta do? We gotta do a quick troubleshoot to find out why it's not working. Okay, so it seems to Oh, and guess what, guys? My mouse just died. Hold on a second. Gotta love when things happen. Okay, sorry guys. It's storming, so you might hear some thunder. Alright. So let's see. What is the problem? Item stack, inventory, energy bar, item stack, results, inventory class, int energy use per operation, int stack size to decrease. Sometimes this happens. Even I don't see some stuff, because normally I take all my stuff and I see what I'm gonna do for the day, and it's at 27 minutes and we have an error. So we will fix this error in smelts in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as I said, thank you for watching.